Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few among the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on electronics engineering. The father of electronics engineering is Sir John Ambrose Fleming. Sir John Ambrose Fleming invented first vacuum tube in 1904. Sir John Ambrose Fleming was born on November 29th, 1849 at Lancashire, Shire, England. The term electronic means flow of electric current or behavior of electrons. Electronics involves many components like uh, resistors, diode, transistors, etc. In electronics engineers they design, develop, fabricate various electronic instruments, hardware, etc. The basic difference between electrical and electronics engineering is in electrical engineering both alternating current and direct current is involved, and in electronics direct current is there. This is 100% true. So please like and share my video. My YouTube channel is Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. So please like and share my video. Other persons who are into electronics are Michael Faraday, William Shockley, etc. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.